Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months.
We're currently going. Is my thing? My mic is on. I don't know if y'all can hear me. Oh, look. Grandma's running. But we're literally going over here in the airport. And my arm is actually currently hurting, but you know, I'm holding it because of my grandma. We're walking in the lines. We're going aboard pretty soon. Yeah, hopefully. Are we going through security?
Yeah.
Going through security? Yeah. Oh. It's gonna take a minute. It's gonna take us a minute. Oh, my arm actually does hurt.
He was to take 4 I was waiting in this line like people.
Because of the pain. It's all the way from our.
That's how you
Huh? It's shaking because I don't know why. We're in line. So we're in security. You don't want to be on my vlog? Okay then.
No, because you recorded when there's a whole bunch of people behind us.
And what? I'll put it down. Look at eyes. Look at eyes. My cousin said, I need to pee. Sí, yo sí te ir al baño. Where's your stuff at?
It's right around the corner. So
Oh,
come
well,
on.
I'm gonna use the bathroom real quick. I'm gonna use the bathroom. I'll be back. Wait, I need to go pee, guys. I'm gonna use the bathroom.
Debido al aumento de las medidas de seguridad, solo los pasajeros con
The lighting's so pretty. I just realized my lashes are now. Like my lashes are low-key like coming off. It's okay. I'll show you how to fit. This is the outfit. Okay. Literally the pit for an outfit. Yeah. Yo, the bathrooms are so sexy. Like, I did not know. Is it scary?
Oh no,
It's not.
the bathroom's not scary.
No, I'm talking about the plane, not the bathroom. Oh, this is my cousin. No, I never been. It'll be my first time.
Yo, we're missing out. It's not that scary.
Listen out, it's crazy. Like, you like the airport outfit? Like,
Oh my god, that shit is so fucking ass.
Rika. Me, not Rika. I see it, that's rude. Show my airport outfit.
This is her outfit. Looks ugly. Looks ugly to her.
Like your face. Hey guys, we're currently here sitting waiting. I'm gonna use a mic. I think it's more convenient and better to use, I think. But yeah, my cousins are being annoying. But yeah, we're just here waiting. So I'll record when we're on the plane. Say yeah. Hey y'all, update. I'm hoping I sit next to the window. I'm hoping I'm not sitting with the old man or a grown man. I'm hoping I'm sitting with a lady, a grandma, a little girl. Don't matter. But yeah. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. No makeup, like nothing.
That is
Where? Literally, wipe it off my face. I dare you. Exactly.
Bro, take off the fake ass lashes.
Oh man. Ooh. But yeah, I'll record my mom on the plane. Bro, my cousin keeps on being mad annoying. Like, look at him. Y'all, I'm gonna board. I'll talk to y'all when I sit down. I'm 16B, which I'm by myself. It's okay.
Hello, welcome.
Okay. I said it's one. Oh, guys, I'm not sitting by the window. That sucks. Yo, I'm like literally so like nervous. I'm scared. I mean, I'm not scared. It's not like I don't know how to feel. But yeah, I wanted to sit by the window. I'm gonna see. Should I just sit by the window? I don't know. I'm gonna just sit here because there's two people coming. So we'll see. I'm gonna scoot over if that happens. We're about to land. So finally, like,
work. To me, I be work. You see me do me that. Cause I'm about that work.
there's hella people. What the fuck? I need to wait for my mom. I'm gonna wait over here. Look at this bougie minivan.
Ow, I'm
Look at that. We're learning how to use the new bougie car.
Okay. No se escuchó que se prendió, por eso estaba.
It's electric.
Es eléctrico.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. It's electric and gas.
Mommy,
Sí, Cristina.
can I call my iPad?
Yes. If there's a charger in here for you to charge it, yes.
Why? I get my car a
Dude,
bag of car.
Mom, so that means we're gonna get home at 1 something.
Why you say that? It's not that far.
It's a 2-hour drive.
To where?
To our thing.
How do you know?
Cause Mom says it's a 2-hour drive herself.
It's an hour and 45 minutes.
This route avoids a road closure in 1 mile. You are on the fastest route. You should reach your destination by 1:15 a.m.
My iPad.
Okay.
I
Sit
said,
back, Ivan.
Vete para acá.
Sit down, they're gonna check.
You see me do me that. Cause I'm about that work. When you walk a line. I'm in the cafe, man. Drive me a dessert. No time to have you lurking. You make a like me, not like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believed all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart and my keys and my passion. You took my heart and my...
Oh god. They opened the Airbnb. It's cold. Where did I put Ivan at? What? Let's go look for the bed. This is the kitchen. Oh, there's a nice kitchen. Where's the light? You wanna look at the house? Or you wanna go in the night? Oh, the kitchen is so nice. Oh, that's okay.
I got a golf club.
Go sit on the couch and wait for mommy. Where's the couch? Oh, this is like this part. Oh, look at the pool, guys. And it has a hot tub. It has a grill. Wow, see what I'm saying? Like, and we're only staying here for 1 day. Okay, go. Let's go. The beds up. There's a TV right there. The beds are over here. This. Oh, this is the bathroom. Oh, I'm definitely gonna be taking pictures in here. Think I? We're just in here, bro. You're wearing the small robe. Come on. I'm literally wearing the small robe. Oh, that's one man. That's a little gaming thing.
Christina, I think you're sleeping.
Chill.
Oh, I can
Oh, this is sorry. This is a big one.
A big bathtub. Oh, how cool! Yeah, you didn't know that. So we don't have time to go in it. So we're not gonna go in it.
¿Cuántos vas a quedar? ¿Ahí o aquí? ¿O acá? ¿Cuál? ¿Este? Ok. Tú te duermes conmigo.
Se va a dormir con mi mamá.
Entonces,
What's our bed? Okay, well, I'm gonna go to sleep, guys. I had a hard day with a success.
¿cuánto te vas a dormir tú, Nathan?
So, stay tuned for the next video.
¿Cuánto te vas a dormir, Nathan?
Bye. Stay kinky.
¿Con tu mamá?
The woman that I